Hi friends, Amy Love here, and I just wanted to come on and share this little creation that I made. I was needing some inspiration, and I don't know about you, but when I need some inspiration, I do find that challenges and swaps sometimes really help me get motivated and inspired to create. So I've been, playing with my sewing machine and learning how to upcycle some clothing and really getting technical. And I just needed to play. I just needed to play with some paper and some lace. And so I am in my friend Nicola's group, and she was hosting a challenge in there. And it was a challenge for a Shabby inspiration pack swap, which is basically an envelope that I altered, and then I filled with items for whoever I'm paired with. I haven't been paired with anyone yet. I filled it with items for them to create with. So it's kind of like a pack of things to inspire them to create something. And so I will then receive from my partner a pack of things to create with. So that's what I decided to do, and I played with some of my Prima paper because I just have a hoard of papers that I have decided I will be playing with this year instead of hoarding. So that is the paper pad I used. I also have some creations in here that I used some of Doreen's digitals on, and of course most of the beautiful laces and embellishments came from Angel Dream Crafts. So I will of course link their shops below, and I will link Nicola's Facebook group below. They have some amazing things happening in that group, so I would invite you to join in. It's a good group of people. But I did have just a great time putting this together. So I added some dyed coin envelopes that I had in my stash that I don't even remember where I got, that I've had for so long now. So I decided to share some of those, and I clipped them to this paper clip that I created with some of Doreen's digitals. And then this beautiful lace pocket right there that lace is from Angel Dream Crafts, and I just filled it with a couple of blank tags and one big blank chipboard tag that I thought would be fun. And then I folded up the envelope that I actually altered. I put a blank one in there as well so that they could enjoy, using that if they want to. And I had so much fun. It was nice to just create. So I actually turned on Netflix, and right now I am re-watching Project Runway, season 18, I think it is. It's one of my favorite seasons. So it was a beautiful snow day here in Maine, but unfortunately my husband had to work today. It's Saturday. But I was able to stay home, watch the snow, turn on some Project Runway, and create. And what a blessing. I just love days like that. So here I added a little bag that I sewed and stenciled on because I thought that might be fun. And I got these adorable little paper bows from a friend of mine named Brenda. And so I shared some of those too. In this little bag. Just cute. It's just full of fun things. So I hope whoever receives it gets inspired. And I'll share with you what I get in the swap to play with, because part of the swap requirements is that we use the things we are sent to then create something. With the things, some of the things we receive. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm sure that will be a great way to inspire some creativity. So I hope whatever you're doing today, that you get a chance to create or do things that bring you joy, because life is short, friend. So You need to do more of what makes you happy. So there, isn't it so cute? I just think it's so pretty. But I mean, what's not pretty when you dangle all these beautiful dangle trims and crystal beads from it? I mean, you glue that to anything and it becomes beautiful, right? That's how I feel. Lace on all the things. Which I also feel the same way about garments. So you're about to see a bunch of lace covered garments because I am doing the thing and enjoying it so much. So that little pack right there is actually kind of a junk journal inspiration embellishment pack that I created. It's actually available in my Etsy shop, but I thought I would include it because it's full of fun things to create with that I decorated. So I do have a video somewhere. I think I'll try to link it up here in the iCards where I go through all the embellishments that are available in this little kit that I put together. But it's really cute and fun, and I hope whoever receives it loves it and is inspired to create. So I just made myself a cup of hot cocoa with candy cane and marshmallows, and I'm sitting in front of my Christmas tree, even though it's January 11th. And I am enjoying a peaceful moment in front of my wood stove, enjoying my Christmas lights, and thinking about how sad I am that I'm going to have to take this down here real soon. But I intend on enjoying every minute of it while it's here. So thanks for taking the time to listen to me ramble on and watch me go through this little swap that I created. And I hope you guys are having a blessed day, and I will see you all soon.